Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to build an online course in Wix. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open our Wix website and we are going to go to My Sites and we are just going to choose from our websites here that we've made. So just select and edit site and you will be prompted to the Wix website editor. So we are going to go to our Wix App Market, click Add Apps, and we are going to Wix Business Solutions. And we are just going to scroll down and click Wix Online Programs. And since we've already added this to our site, we are just going to open it now. Okay, and there. So we are just going to rename our list. So we are going to Pages and Menu and click on Program List and click Rename. So we are just going to write the name that we want to name our list. So let's say this is an English course, English courses, and click Done. All right, so now we are going to start building our online course in Wix. So what we're going to do is we are going to save our page. And then click Done. And now we are going to go back to our dashboard. So just go to the upper left and click our dashboard here. And we are just going to go to the left side corner of our interface and scroll down. Click on Online Programs. And you have here an online program and online categories. So for the online program, you're just going to choose what program you're going to create: online course, fitness challenge, personal coaching, nutrition plan, start fresh, whatever your program is. And for the categories, so we are just going to click add new category. So these are the categories that you want to add in your course. So let's say for my course, so since it's an English course program, so we are just going to add a category name. So let's say this is going to be grammar. And just click save. And we are going to add another category. So just click add new category. And this time it's going to be reading and phonics. So there, so we are going to go back to our programs and we are going to create a new program. So we are just going to choose from the programs here. So let's click on online course and then click next. So you have different templates here that you want to choose from. So we are just going to start fresh. We're going to make a template for our program. So let's say what we want to call our program. So it's going to be English courses. So how do you want your participants to complete your program? It's either self-paced or scheduled. So I want it to be self-paced. Click next. And how long do participants have to complete your program? It's going to be unlimited or time limit. So let's say I'm going to give a time limit for the program. So for the duration of our program, so let's say We are going to put 3 days. You can choose days, weeks, so days. And if you're going to choose unlimited, then the participants can complete steps whenever they'd like. So click let's go. And in this part, you can add an image for your program. For the visibility of your program, so who do you want to join your program? It can be anyone, or it can be private. Anyone can view that requires approval to join, or it's going to be only visible to the participants that you've invited. So let's say it's going to be a private program. And for the pricing, you're going to select ways on how participants can pay to join. So it's either you're going to give it for free or they're going to pay to join. So let's say I'm going to add a payment for that. We are going to charge our program. So let's say 200 per program. And you can include a subscription. So if you want to, you can create a subscription here. We are just not going to include a subscription. And for the number of participants, how many people can join? Is it unlimited, or you're going to just limit the number of participants? So let's just limit the number of participants, and let's say we're going to have like 20 people maximum. And once you're done with all the information that you've written here, then just click save. So there you go. These are your program settings, the basic info of your program, the visibility and pricing, so they can see it in your website, scheduling. Okay, and for the group, so you can choose if you want to put your participants in groups. So you can always edit your settings here. And you can also add a reward, a badge. So here you can create a certificate, or you can add a badge. It's really up to you for the rewards. And so in this part, we are going to edit our content. So we are going to add steps on what we are going to do in our program. So for step 1, we are just going to edit. For the step name, we are going to, let's say, we're going to write nouns, and then for the section, it's going to be an introduction. So you can add media files here, video, image, or file, and then just click save. And for step 2, we are going to add another step. So this time it's going to be, let's say, pronouns. And it's still going to be introduction. And again, you can add video, image, or file. And also you can start writing instructions here to complete the step. And then click save. And after those steps, step 1 and step 2, then you can add a quiz here. And the type, you can name your quiz or survey. So let's say nouns and pronouns. So you can add questions here. You can build your questions here in this part. And you can add questions, and you can choose from the question types here. It's either open-ended, number, multiple choice, single choice, and the layout elements. And then just save it once you're done with that. And there, so once you're done with everything here, so we are just going to click save. And once we're done with everything here, we are going to click publish. So after we publish this program, it will appear on our site and participants can start joining. So we are going to go back to our website. And we are just going to wait for this to reload. Okay, so now we are in preview mode. So we are going to check our programs that we made earlier. So as you can see, we have here 2 programs, reading and phonics and grammar. And this is what our participants can see in our website. And then you can click to join. There. So that's how easy you can add an online course in Wix. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.